If you watch this quick video, I'm going to share with you how to generate leads every single day using social media marketing in your business. Now, right now, you might be in a position where you're not getting any leads online, or maybe the leads that you get online aren't of a high enough quality. Maybe they're the people that you don't want to work with, that don't pay your prices, haggle, take ages to make a decision, and just are a pain to work with. Now, my name's James Nicholson, and I've generated £20 million in sales over the last 15 years in my various businesses. Now, I've documented those processes, and I share those with entrepreneurs and business owners just like you, to show you how you can do the same and how you can get the success that my students have as well. Now, generating leads via social media is a really simple strategy, but most people get it totally wrong. Now, what you need to do to be successful with social media is to lead with value first. Now, what I mean by that is you need to give content, you need to do things like blog posts, you need to do things like videos just like this one, maybe a podcast. Whatever it is that you do, you need to give massive value to an audience first, and in return, then you will get the opportunity to ask them to become a lead. So create videos online, do all of these strategies that gives content first. Then the people that engage with that, then we're going to follow up with those people on Facebook, on Google, on email, on all these other places. We're going to follow up with those people to get them to opt in to a guide or report. Now, if we use Facebook as an example, we can get all the people that have watched our videos on Facebook or visited our blog site, and we can create a list in Facebook, and we can market to those people a guide, a report, a discount voucher, a webinar, anything that we get them to opt in for that ultimately gets them to become a lead. Now, that's really, really important that you do that. And I want to help you make this job a little bit easier. So I've created, over the last few years, a social media success swipe file. Now, this is a lot of the best content that I've put out on social media over the last few years, and I want you to have it for free. So above this video or below this video, somewhere around the video, right, is going to be a link. And if you click on that link, you can grab that swipe file straight away, and that will show you some templates that you can copy and make them work for your business. They'll be very, very easy to do. So do that now, get those guides, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.